Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this property management platform, which is Innago. So let's dive into it. Talking about Innago is a free property management software built for small and mid-sized landlord. It covers the essential like online rent collection, tenants screening, liens management, maintenance tracking, and accounting, all in a clean and easy to use dashboard. One of its biggest strengths is that it costs free while still providing the useful features that makes managing rental simple. Landlords also praise its responsive customer support and quick ACH rent payment once the system is set up. On the downside, Innago can feel limited for large operations. Some user reports delay with fast time ACH payment, minor bugs with lens support, and issues when handling more complex property need. It also doesn't offer as many advanced features or integration as bigger paid platforms like BuildGum or Appfolio. In conclusion, Innago is great choice if you are a small landlord looking for a straightforward budget-friendly solution, but larger property managers may need a more robust system. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the review button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.